Hi everyone, today we'll talk about monitoring your work from anywhere users, and we'll see how easy it is to analyze their behaviors with Versa Concerto. From the Concerto principal dashboard, you will have a complete view of your workforce worldwide. However, in this example I will focus on one user, named Sly. He's based in France but currently is getting access to the internet via a secure web gateway located in Frankfurt. So at this stage, all its activities will be monitored by the gateway in Frankfurt and reported in this analytic menu. So let's review it together. To get an overall view of traffic usage, I'm going to navigate in the Secure Access, then User, and finally Usage section. From here, I will be able to see the amount of received and transmitted data over the last 24 hours. And of course, the time frame can be changed. In the Event submenu, I will be able to see when was the last time my user connected to the network, as well as the last time he disconnected from this security web gateway. And finally, in the Registry section, I will see what type of operating system and what version it's running on his own machine, as well as the version of the Versa client is currently running. We can now go a bit deeper and see what type of resources the workforce is consuming on the internet via the Security and Application menu. From here, we will see the top application being used in the company. However, this can be a bit overwhelming. So to help you, those applications are sorted by risk, productivity, family, and subfamily. The subfamily menu, for instance, gives you an idea of the internet resources used by your employee, and you can narrow down your search on one category, like instant messaging, for instance. At this level, you will see the exact application from this category. The risk and productivity section, on the other hand, can help you to highlight non-corporate applications with a high security risk or low productivity rate. This information can then be used to deny or limit those applications on your security web gateway. Sometimes those applications can propagate threats in the organization, and the security web gateway are responsible to block them. This is visible in the Security and Threat submenu. At this level, all the security modules from Versa are visible. For instance, the CASB menu shows corporate and non-corporate applications where an abuse was detected. If we click on MS Team, for instance, we can see the same user, Sly, trying to transfer a file over MS Team, which is denied by the CASB module. Likewise, if we click on the malware section, we can see up to 370 security events from the antivirus module. If we narrow down a bit, we'll see the same user, Sly, trying to download this malicious file from this public IP address. Good thing for us, the file was denied by the antivirus module. In some situations, you will need an access to the raw logs. This is also doable via Concerto in the log menu. So things like firewall, threat detection, threat filtering, or DLP logs are also visible in this location. So let's have a look to the firewall logs, for instance. And the first thing I will do is a bit of filtering to make sure I only see logs from one user. Alright, as you can see, we do retrieve pretty much the same information as we did before, but with more details. So attributes like source IP address, destination IP, source destination port, and also the name of the rule allowing the traffic are displayed in this view. The good thing in the UI is that you can then generate reports based on those logs with the reporting tool, right here. So for instance, if I click on Security, and then on Top Application and then Add, Concerto is going to get profit of the log we saw previously to generate a report like this one. So this ends my presentation of monitoring your work from anywhere users with Concerto. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.